Something happen for Balogun Market. Now when they Balogun Market or when they around there, something one gist reach me. They say you get one woman who say her name na Brasas Fabrics, and they say now every year now a shop they born o, and other people shop go still born join am o. Say but last now only she now government go call give money I been a license to rebuild the shop. Why the other people when their own born they go village, they no go fit kukuma build their shop, things go call hard for them. Say her name na Brasas Fabric. Make her play the video first, so make her play one of the videos there for what it happen when I see. Make una hear.
You must go! You must go, evil woman! Evil woman! You must go! You must go! You must
Now the other traders that they shot so for the market. So if you know about this, just call me the other video.
Askuma was so white.
What did be the real gist? What did the woman really do for that Balogun Market? Hello, there the phone line.
I did there. I'll be go buy something. Now I see people gather.
Yeah.
They say that woman a wish.
Sure. What did they?
Now one native doctor. Now they help and they do the work.
Native
if
doctor.
Fire catch like that. Now so our wealth could increase.
Are you serious? So you did it that Sunday?
Yes.
Okay, anyway.
The woman said if face no pure.
Ha. Okay, thank you. Now wow.
Bruh, you know, I tell you say I from Lagos Island.
Yes.
This woman that you see, I tell you say I be an electrician.
Yes.
2011. We wired the woman office.
Are you serious?
So the office to look wale car park, abi?
For that Balogun Market, abi? Yes.
But woman get plenty shop, oh. In fact, when you get waiting that woman do, where paid me away.
Okay.
Every time. And I redeem member MB, Pastor Sha.
Now Pastor.
And so now her name is Esther.
Sure.
But the native name that they give her is Fausa. There are some things that the woman give us during preaching. Here, catch me.
Somebody say Ontop Ratata, Ibe Johnson from Makoka. He said, true, that woman's shop is always burning every year. I am walking very close to that plaza. Every year, that is how it used to happen. Another one is that the woman doesn't retain her sales girls. After a year, she will sack them and employ other sales girls. I have a witness to that. Okay. Oh, now, wow. Ratata. Now, true, what did they talk about that woman? No, we get, when get Brasas Fabric. She's a pastor in ROSCC as a Redeemed Christian Church of God, married to an Alhaji. Her shop burns every year. It's money ritual. Also, she doesn't like people to say sorry to her if her shop burns. And another, we say, she will build it back again.
Hello.
Sir?
Actually, what did they tell you now? That's pure truth because I'm one of the victims.
You say what?
I'm one of the victims. My shop is number 58.
Okay.
Yeah. So every year, what a woman they do, not only God go judge her.
Okay, what do you mean?
Oh. I judge my case.
Sorry about what happened. Yeah, the thing they pay now. So sorry, I beg you.
Most of the woman shop I did so like this now. She did Marina Beauty.
Okay.
Yeah, Tatakbon.
Okay.
Now there she get new shops. He read this new shop 2019.
Okay.
Every year I say they happen under the bridge. Now she open new shop, new church.
New shop, a big church.
New church and the shop opposite themselves.
Are you serious? Church and shop.
Yes, every Sunday if you come under Akpabon Marine Bridge, you will see the church there.
What is the name of the church?
The Dean Church.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
So now, true.
Like this now, the face to face like this now with a shop like this.
So you did that
gong at Marine Building.
So what did they
Marina Building.
What did they catch the fire? I mean, what did they cost her every year?
they say na electric spark. Every year they say electric spark. I they go say like that's a generator. This is an electric spark. 219 they go say na wetin and nobody know actually wetin they call. They will do one in schools and this and that. And before people go discover that fire, I go ever take long time before people don't damage it. So right now, even as I tell you, so if you see the people they rush, they come for the shop, they buy market. You must say, say something they get a CD.
Are you serious?
Last I can't see people gather for the shop like this, go up and down, and they at marine building.
So now her new shop,
sure. Building. For the new shop, goes up and down the story building, and she get on, and she occupy everywhere. And immediately they happen, they will see new container go come with loads. And lace, all the market.
Exactly. Somebody said, "Message, the pay said, "Na so lace."
Lace.
He said, "You go see exactly the pay
said." My front like this, after they talk to you like that, they just watch them like film.
Wow.
Physical film. Like this, like they talk to you.
The person send message call your WhatsApp. He say yes. He say na correct lace. Say you go see current lace for that
place. Yes.
Let me say you are really correct.
All of them, no go see all this Nigerian made market for our place. Wow. On a foreign list, you see original ones.
Are you serious?
I tell you, even the ones when they quench the fire water pot, they even dry them on top of the fence. They dry them there. Yes, no be lie in the talk. Now, true. Really, every year that used to happen. She they use food and gifts to gather people to make a church. Food and gift, now they use gather people. Food and gift, like 2020.
Yes.
She go cook food, plenty. Then you go come gather people, they make say. Then go they people share the food for people. Say who go follow all the worship with them, now go they give and
but
give.
But wait, you get the woman number.
Me, I dey up front like this. I don't want to take her number because her number dey the symbol like this.
I know. Okay. Can I get your number? Then later I go call you. Maybe if you give me the woman number, Abi.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, Pastor Esther.
Yes, ma.
No. I'm a man, ma.
Yeah.
How are you, ma? Hello, how are you? More grace. So yes. So my name is Ratata of Wazobia FM, ma.
Yeah.
In fact, we just so sorry for what we just say happened to you for the shop matter.
Yeah.
So sorry,
Yes, ma.
I be man. I am a man.
Okay, sir.
Don't let my voice deceive you. Don't mind the devil is a coward. So, in fact, Mama, I say make her call you, make her first greet you first. Say, "Pelonu for what happened."
Yeah.
I beg you, I get what I want to ask you, Mama. Now, every year the shop they burn. I been now this will be different.
Nah lie, then the last 2 years a year. Nah lie. I did this market 10 years.
10 years. Okay. Because people say now.
Okay. Now this man, where get this place, go give them 1 million.
Who give them 1 million? Who give them 1 million?
My tenant, yes. One of our neighbor.
Wow. So because
where you there now?
Are they Wazobia FM? You want make her come?
Make it come, make I go talk, go pay you.
You go pay me?
We go pay you now.
Okay. Abi you won't come. Abi you won't even come my studio when you talk out for radio.
You know, say me with the way you want to do meeting here.
Okay. No, even if not tomorrow you won't come, no problem. Okay. You know what you go up on the mama, You there, your mama?
Yeah.
I go still call you. May we talk so that whether na me go come or na you go come, may we see how the matter go be.
We there here.
Okay, because
all the thing when they talk na lie.
Na lie, Abi.
Na lie, nothing. If you come here, you go ask people now.
Okay. You know what you go up on the mama? Tomorrow, I go come tomorrow. Are you sure?
Okay.
Tomorrow around 1 o'clock, I go come tomorrow afternoon.
Okay.
So when I come, I go ask people when they there. I go see you gone. Me and you say, okay. Me and you go snap picture. I hear say you be pastor too.
For redeem.
Wow. So how is
na lie all the thing.
What?
The man go pay them.
Wait, madam.
One go bring the protest people.
Wait, you be pastor? I be you not be pastor.
I be zona pastor.
Oh, zona pastor. What be your parish name?
My parish zone is zone 10.
Zone 10.
Province 20, region 11.
Okay, so that means all this when people they talk say the shop they burn every year, na lie be those also.
Na lie, you go call ask people, na lie.
Okay, mama, I go call tomorrow for afternoon, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, mama, take care. God be with you, eh? Hey. Another year, I don't follow. May God bless you, Abasindo. I want other guy when I want other lady. I mean, when send me the woman number.
That woman, na lie, they lie, yo.
Okay, why you talk so?
I get evidence.
You get evidence?
Boy,
tomorrow, sir, I go there. Who go follow me go? Make a knock up like say I go and not come back. I beg you. Who go follow me go?
God does say for that woman, she fit kill you.
Not me are you? Na me. Hello, daddy, for like.
This is one day they go beat you.
Who go follow?
Like, no, you go go. Even that you collect numbers. No, you go go. Nobody go follow you. Say, beat you. They go beat you no one.
Do my say man come. I tell her. Who go follow me go? I take a beg una beg. Hello.
Hello.
Oga, 30 seconds. Let's go.
Yes, sir. This she talk go answer. If she come, make she answer. No, answer say. Waiting in the because they repair the house.
That me calling me won't go by myself. A man go see for myself. I go do video.
Where they by her side. Waiting for the build before they start the build them again.
Okay, no problem.
She tell you all those things.
Okay, no wahala. I go see what I can do. Hello, daddy, phone line.
Okay, good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I got not shaking. Let's go.
From Ikeja.
Talk to us.
Nobody you go. Nobody go follow you.
I blame una. No, my enemies. Hello, daddy, phone line.
Dad, I go follow you go now.
Hey, each day can thank you. Hello, daddy, phone line.
Hello, Ra.
Eh?
Good day.
Yes, sir.
I go follow you go.
You get power.
I get power. When they go beat you. Me, I go they run. Oh.
I blame you. Hello, daddy, phone line.
Hello, Tata. Good day.
Yes, sir. How are you?
Tata, I go and pray well.
Okay, you pray for me too.
Yeah, pray for you. That man not the ordinary woman.
Thank you. I go see what I can do. If I can go there before market run, so that I will call give you a report. Let me see what will happen. Or if I not go before market runs, I go after market runs tomorrow. You know that I make a pick one call. I don't say una like a proko. Una like a proko. Hello, be this.
Hello.
Yeah.
Tata, now mama miss someone dey
Talk to us. Yeah.
Abeg, which side be that? You go man follow you.
Okay, they say you serious?
I dey Ibejuleki now. I don't know this side.
Okay, you know what go happen eh? Mr. Man, what go happen eh? You come meet me for office, make me and you go. Our office dey VI now, so that me and you go. Since you dey Ibejuleki, no, that your own place too far. Okay, what do you go happen now? Be say if you want for me go eh? Let's see what will happen eh? Send me a message for market. Not be say all this kind of wish go say they won't go, and I'm not go. But I'm gonna try me eh? If you want follow me go, I need only 5 persons. No, only 3. And you go get motor because now you go carry us go. So you go send me. If you don't get motor, that's a message you. Send me a message for market trust number. Say, Ra, I want to go with you. It's a serious matter. So that we will go there. We'll see the woman, follow and talk, snap picture. Then we will come back to market trust, talk for you. I would like to leave around 9 o'clock go in the morning. So that maybe we quick go there. Now just CMS here now and blow come back. Isn't that possible? CMS here now. If we leave here by 9, gone, we go there. No. It is possible to leave here at 9 o'clock, get there before 9, 10. Then come back now before 11.
Yeah, it depends on what you want to do. Now be woman you want to see.
I take a beg you. No, I dey go for market runs.
You say not be woman you mentioned. Just
No. Okay, I beg if you get motor, come our office, before 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Yes, so. For Wazobia FM 95.1 2678 Etimiya Crescent. If you dey around there and you want me go that place, so that as soon as they close morning show by 9, we'll just take off. Go Balogun Market here. We'll go see the woman, follow and talk. Then we'll go come back to market run. So that make I give people the gist during market runs time. Now it go taste sweet. If I go after market runs, it not go sweet again. Oh yeah, come our office. Once you reach our office, park your motor, stay for security post. Say you can see Ratata. Come before 9 o'clock because 9 on the dot. I don't go. If I not see you come with motor, I go kukuma enter cab. I go by myself. But if you say, okay, Ra, I want to follow you, go ask the woman, go loot things. He may come here say, now let me see amu. Oya na before tomorrow. Once you our security people say you dey wait ratata, they go tell me. Ada come out tomorrow now war. We'll go pray spiritual everything. Fire, let's go.
Love me again, see. Many things I have done, they torment me. Many problems I've got, they envy. Still a lot of people want to be like me. A lot of girls want to feel my thing. Don't let the packaging confuse you, G. My God, I wish you only knew me. A lot of people want to feel like me.
News time don't reach you. News time don't reach you on top 95.1 Wazobia FM.
All right, still 951 Wazobia FM. You see this correct o'clock to prove yourself this fresh afternoon. What's sorry again for today? Wednesday, the number 12 for the month of October 2022. Now, still carry console for 6 o'clock. We say, ask me how you the reason 1 or 2. 12, self shock for what he on top time the month. It's make I tell you, Sha, say election matter as you lay your bed. Now, so you go like that on top. Go and collect your.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.